Alright, we're back at it again. This time we're at Craig's house.
That's right.
And we've got a little unboxing video. So, what is in this giant box, Craig?
I don't know. What is it?
Let's see, what does that say there? Eisenmann. You want to tell us what you got?
So, I got the Eisenmann Race Black Series.
Awesome. So, we're going to show you guys what that looks like. So, this is the same rear section that is on my car. Craig opted to spend the extra money.
That's right.
For the Black Series version, which
I always did say go big or go home.
I mean, I guess he's doing it right.
That's right.
For me, I couldn't justify the extra $500, but it's gonna look extremely badass on his car. So it's gonna be the entire muffler is also black, or is it just the tips?
No, the entire muffler and everything.
Muffler, tips, everything. And you purchased this from I&D, correct?
I did. Got it on the Black Friday.
Black Friday sale. So shout out to them. I guess you don't need a hand. So it's got, that's the muffler there with the tips and the connecting pipes. I think it's an extra option to buy the connecting pipes, but it's better than using your stock pipes and having to cut it all up and all that. So. We're not doing this all by yourself. I'm assuming you're not keeping any of this wrapping, are you?
I believe so.
You did a good job wrapping it, that's for sure.
And I just got myself.
Don't do that. Don't bleed on the new exhaust.
Yeah.
Yeah, you better go get a Band-Aid.
Yeah.
And time out.
That is really typical. Yeah, look at that. Yay!
Look at all this wrapping now. It really is like Christmas.
Alright, we're back after I fixed myself with a Band-Aid.
next question is, when are we installing this?
I don't know yet. Still got a few more things to do. This is going to be the last and final step. Of course, you'll see the install video to this, along with it paired with an X-pipe. Haven't decided what X-pipe to go with. What do you guys think? Let's get a vote. We'll do Challenge, Akrapovic, or Mach Schnell.
All right.
Tell us.
Let us know in the comments what you think Craig should do. So, and right now this is replacing your M Performance exhaust.
Correct, with a factory X-pipe.
Yeah. Cool. All right, so Craig's still got plenty of GTechniq C5 left over from the wheel coating, so I'm gonna go ahead and coat the Eisenmann exhaust here. We're gonna do the top side and the tips today, let it dry overnight, and then tomorrow come back and do the underside, which is really the part that matters. And then the tips again, and we'll just keep, probably do what, maybe 2 coats of the whole thing?
Yeah.
So Craig's just wiping all the extra garbage that's on here off. Any dust, particles, or dirt that may be on here from shipping. And then we'll hit it with some IPA. And we should be ready to rock. Then we're gonna try to do the coat the connecting pipes. We're not gonna bother taking off the little heat shield there because it's bolted on, and no one's gonna see that anyway. But we've got enough product that we can do it, so might as well. Taking the necessary precautions here so we don't spill anything on this carpet. So yeah, just cleaning all the fingerprints and everything off of it, and then we'll throw some gloves on. And again, we're just going to do the top side and the tips for tonight. Exhaust has been prepped, alcohol, GTechniq C5. This is rated up to like 300 degrees or something like that, so bottle. Let's see how much we got. So we don't have a ton left, actually. A little bit in there. Should be enough, I think, for 2 coats, hopefully. You're supposed to shake this up nice and good before we use it again, so I just hope it doesn't leak. Alright, Craig, put maybe a handful of drops in there.
Maybe a little more by accident.
Comes out pretty fast, so keep that in mind. But
all right, let's start on this back side here.
Stay organized. Like I said, we're only going to do the top of each muffler, everything where we have a good stopping point, because we need to let it dry, and then tomorrow we'll start on the underside. So we'll do a full coat on each muffler and the tips. We'll try to get into these little cracks and crevices on the top.